Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. Days after the heinous murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, the Meghalaya Special Investigation Team to reconstruct the crime scene near the parking lot in Sora today. Here we are bringing you the full details. SIT to reconstruct crime scene near Wasengdong Falls parking lot in Sora. Reconstruction will be done in presence of key suspects Sonam Raghuvanshi and 3 other accused. DGP Idashisha Nongrang confirms investigation in progressing steadily. Police suspect there might be more behind the act than initial motive. Theory of love triangle doesn't fully account for crime's severity. Investigators finding contradictions in suspect statements. Police may seek extended custody of suspects. Sonam informed team about location of Raja's missing jewellery. Yes, viewers, days after the heinous murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, the Meghalaya Special Investigation Team is likely to reconstruct the crime scene of the murder today. The murder scene expected to be recreated by the SIT team at a parking lot in Sora in the presence of the accused Sonam Raghuvanshi, Raja Kushwaha, Akash, Vishal and Anand. A senior police official stated, "We have recovered a sharp weapon which has been purchased by the accused from Guwahati to commit the murder." East Khasi Hills District SP Vivek Siam has stated that efforts are underway to file the charge sheet against the accused within the stipulated time period. On 15 June, the family members of the victim raised serious questions about the statement given by the wife Sonam Raghuvanshi and her alleged accomplices. As per Meghalaya Police, Sonam and her 4 other murdered Raja. In response, a candle march was carried out in Indore demanding justice and deeper investigation into the case. While addressing to media, Raja's brother Vipin Raghuvanshi made a strong appeal for a narco test on the accused, stating that their behavior during the probe raised doubts. He further stated, "The way Sonam and Raja are misleading the police is shocking. Once a narco test is done, it will be revealed how much Sonam is lying about it. How all the accused are lying indicates that they may know more about the murder. I cannot talk to Sonam's parents yet. Why haven't they made any statement? Has been trying Rakhi to Govind and him for 3 years. Doesn't her murder know this? Police need to question her parents. Why have you all hidden this from the media and police?" Meanwhile, Raja's brother Sachin Raghuvanshi led the candle march in Indore, expressing the family's grief and their firm stance for justice. Meghalaya BJP President Rikbenji Momin also reacted to this case. He condemned those who tried to defame the state of Meghalaya in the wake of murder. According to Meghalaya Police, Sonam Raghuvanshi and the 4 others were involved in the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, who had gone missing earlier. Yes, viewers, the special investigation team to reconstruct the crime scene linked to Raja Raghuvanshi's alleged murder near the Wasengdong Falls parking lot in Sora today. Officials intend to carry out reenactment in the presence of key suspects Sonam Raghuvanshi along with the 3 men accused of carrying out the crime: Akash Rajput, Vishal Singh Chauhan and Anand Kurmi. Director General of Police Idashisha Nongrang confirmed that the investigators are working toward filing the charge sheet within the legal time frame. She described the investigation as progressing steadily and emphasized that the team continues to piece together the full narrative. When questioned about the possible motive, DGP expressed skepticism about the version provided by the primary accused. She stated, "It's hard to believe that someone could harbor such intense resentment that they would orchestrate a murder just days after getting married. We suspect there might be more behind the act." Although investigators initially believed the love triangle might explain the killing, Nongrang stated that the theory alone doesn't fully account for the crime's severity. She noted that the team is still interrogating the suspects and aims to clarify each individual's role while assembling a detailed timeline of events. She also mentioned that police may seek extended custody once the initial 8 days remand ends. According to investigators, Sonam informed the team about the location of Raja's missing jewelry, prompting plans to verify her claims during the next phase of the investigation. In a border note, the DGP pointed out that the Sohra continues to be one of the Meghalaya's safest region with virtually no history of violent crime. She also highlighted the general non-violent disposition of the local Khasi and Garo communities. Meanwhile, a video recorded by the tourists and shared on Instagram has gone viral, showing Sonam and Raja walking together near Nongriyat, possibly just hours before his death. In the footage, Sonam appears in a black trouser and a white long-sleeve shirt similar to the one later found at the crime scene, walking slightly ahead of Raja. Yes, viewers, the Meghalaya Special Investigation to reconstruct the crime scene of the murder at a parking lot in today afternoon. The reconstruction will be done in the presence of the accused Sonam, Raghuvanshi, Raja, Kushwaha, Vishal, Akash and Anand. A senior police official confirmed that a sharp weapon believed to have been used in the murder was recovered. The weapon has been purchased by the accused from Guwahati. East Khasi Hills District SP Vivek Siam stated that efforts are underway to file the charge sheet against the accused within the stipulated time period. The family members of the victim Raja Raghuvanshi has raised serious questions about the statement given by his wife Sonam and her alleged accomplices. Raja's brother Vipin has demanded a narco test on the accused, citing inconsistencies in their statements. He expressed doubt about Sonam's involvement and questioned why her parents had not made any statements. Moreover, a candle march was carried out in Indore demanding justice and deeper investigation into the case. Raja's brother Sachin led the march, expressing the family's grief and their firm stand for the justice. Meghalaya BJP President Rikmam G. Momin reacted to the case, condemning those who tried to defame the state of Meghalaya. He praised the Meghalaya police for cracking the case and emphasized that Meghalaya is a safe and tourist-friendly state. According to the police official, Sonam Raghuvanshi and 4 others were involved in the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, who had earlier gone missing. Moreover, it needs to mention that a video recorded by a tourist and shared on Instagram has gone viral on social media, showing Sonam and Raja walking together near Nongriyat, possibly just hours before his death. In a footage, Sonam appears in a black trousers and a white long sleeve shirt similar to one later found at the crime scene, walking slightly ahead of Raja. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.